Hey everyone, so I'm going to do a box opening. I can't for the life of me remember which one this is. Let's see. I want to say that it is, let me see before I start guessing. Let's see. Yep, this is Holy Santo. Okay, this is my Holy Santo box. This is, do not separate this. For some reason it's in upside down, I guess. But yes, okay, so here we go. Yeah, this is my Holy Santo box. I'm very excited, so let's get into it. So I saw this on, I think it was Enchanted Moon's channel. Love her, obsessed. She's the reason I buy all these boxes now. So now I'm doing unboxing. But apparently this is supposed to be a box of really cool herbs. Yes, it says stay in your magic. Very nice box. You can see her face and everything. The moon, crescent moon, some flames. And it says thank you with a little spirit board. It says we love you. Here's the information on it. And oh, there's even a polished gemstone in there. But anyway, here's the information for Holy Santo. So let's see what we got here. The thing I like about this is they're supposed to say the meanings of the herbs that you're getting, which is very helpful for a newbie like me. So anyway, this is the alfalfa, and it's a bringer of prosperity, feminine herb, ruled by Venus. Keep some in your home to inspire comfort. That's cool. So we got alfalfa. I'll go through kind of quickly so you don't have to hear everything. Juniper berries and love spells. Enhance interest and potency. Clarify the aura. Kind of cool. Digging that. On to the next, which is going to be white willow bark. And the thing I like about these is, you know, it's not like things that you can just get in the grocery store. Some maybe. Looks like moon magic and divination for pain relieving properties. Ooh. Then eucalyptus leaf. It's going to be invigorates the mind and body, cleansing, increasing mental clarity, raising vibration. God knows I could use that. Next, mugwort, everyone's favorite mugwort, right? Mugwort, astral travel, huh? That's nice. Dreams, visions, astral travel. Yeah. Then St. John's wort. I always think about St. John's wort and, like, you know, medicine. It's known as a power herb for energy if you're feeling tired. It says traditionally been used to ward off evil and purify the home. I gotta spread some of this around, right? Then I also see red rose petals. Now this is something I do dry on my own, but it's kind of cool to have a pack. Obviously known for love. Yeah, that's red rose petals. And then lavender flower, again, another thing that I can just kind of get from home. I grow those as well. This is like, you know, put them in a bath. It's attracting and deepening love, fertility, peace, relaxation. Lavender is like everything for me for relaxation. Big fan. And then we have raspberry leaf for creative and divinatory powers. Also, women's health. You can use it to draw a lover and keep him or her faithful. Then we got some yarrow. And these are for love, courage, communication, psychic abilities, aura cleansing, divination. That's a multi-purpose herb right there. Then we have the blessed thistle, I'm assuming, or just thistle. Maybe there is a difference, I don't know. I'm too new. So it's got a holy reputation, maybe that's why it's blessed. Powerful herb for counteracting jinxes, getting rid of negative energy, strong protection. You look like a good guy. We've got comfrey leaf. And this one is also like for bathing, purifying in the bathtub. Good luck and fortune, financial matters. Do I need to open up some of this right now? Payday's tomorrow though. Okay, then we got some catnip. I don't have any kitties, so I'll have to actually use it for my rituals. For love and money, and makes you irresistible to the object of your desire. That might be a little scary. Trance and dream work as well. Then we have the colt's foot. I have never heard of this before. Let's see. First flowers to bloom in the spring. Welcoming of the sun. Used in love, tranquility, and money spells. And peace and clarity. Colt's foot. It's a new one for me. Hyssop. Hyssop. Folk magic. Bath magic. Wards away evil. Promotes cleansing. Love how there's explanations on the back. We have pennyroyal. Again, that's a newbie for me. Pennyroyal, member of the mint family. For charms, patience, tranquility, endurance. Get rid of negative, I guess, self-thoughts. That's pretty good. Powerful guardian and useful and protective and warding charms. I'm gonna have fun with these guys. And we have peppermint. Big fan of the peppermint now. Peppermint is used in mental strength during times of difficulty, which apparently I need right now. Supports psychic and verbal communication. Good in the bath. Improves mental focus. Good if you have to like be studied up on something. Hibiscus flower. Yes. And this one is for love and lust. Let's go more love than lust, huh? Psychic abilities. Aphrodisiac. Spells with love or lust. Sprinkle a few petals for passion and love. Let's really try to go more for love than lust, but okay. I hear ya. And then nettle leaf is used also as protection herb. Defensive magic. Drives out unwanted energies. Other uses include stimulating courage, averting anger, and winning arguments. Ooh, I like winning arguments. And then we have sage, the main cleanser. Sage has been used since ancient times as a purification herb, wards off negative influences and protection. Used for longevity, wisdom, protection, and the granting of wishes. Also believed to help alleviate sorrow from the death of a loved one. Aw, well that's kind of good to know. And then I feel, yep, there's a cute little spoon in here. Oh, I love it. It is adorable, and it's got like this little tip on here. Crystal, I'm assuming maybe it's, I don't know if it's crystal, it feels plastic. But it's cute. I like the spoon. And what is my herb? Or my gem. My gem. I think it's a yellow quartz. That's what it looks like to me. But that is really, really cool. I am very much a fan of this box. I'll put the information in it below to show you how much it was. But again, the reason I got it, aside from seeing it on Enchanted Moon's channel, was that I thought it was really cool that the definitions or the uses of the herbs were already on the packaging, which is really, really helpful for somebody who's starting out. So thank you so much, and I love you too. And if I ever need any refills or anything, I'm going to get into that. I'm going to place another order. Thanks for the gemstone as well. I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much. Bye.